Hey guys, I created a full stack website in 1 minute using ChatGPT. First, I searched how to create a simple website to display random images of Virat Kohli, and this is what I got. Within few seconds, the AI generated Flask, HTML, and CSS for the website. It also included the detailed instructions about file structure. I use VS Code as editor. Let me show you the file structure I used. I named the root folder as chatgpt_website. With subfolder named static, and under it I created a folder images which has many royalty-free pictures of Virat Kohli. Next, in root folder, I created a Python file app and copied the Flask code from ChatGPT. Similarly, I pasted the HTML and CSS code from the ChatGPT website to index.html file, created under templates subfolder. And that's it. Our code was ready. Next, we open command prompt and go to the ChatGPT_website directory. And run the command python_app.py. Our code executed successfully and can be viewed on localhost. And that's it. The site was running. With each refresh, we'll get a random images of Virat Kohli. The images are responsive as well. To be honest, I didn't expect such quick and accurate results. But the ChatGPT is truly amazing. Now our site is ready. I'll deploy it on pythonanywhere.com. For now, I'll create a basic free account to run the site. I had to make some configurational changes. And after a while our 1 minute site was ready. You can check it at thetechsatsang.pythonanywhere.com. Please share your views on the comment section, and thanks for watching.